collected and this plasma is given to the patient. Just say hi. This video I'm going to try to convince you to donate your plasma if you have recovered from COVID-19. So what is plasma therapy? Plasma therapy is a way of treatment for COVID-19 patient in which plasma is taken out from the recovered patient of COVID-19 and given to the patient suffering from COVID-19, because these plasma have antibodies, so it will help to build that immunity against the disease. So what is plasma? In blood you have two components. One is formed element and other is plasma, that is the liquid part. So formed elements are the cells. These are taken out of the blood and plasma is collected and this plasma is given to the patient. So basically to donate, they will take blood from patient recovered from COVID-19 and that blood is centrifuged so that formed elements are removed and they will collect the plasma and give to the COVID patient, and these formed element given back to the donor, and this donor may feel dehydrated or fatigue because of loss of liquid part from the body. So just stay hydrated and rest for a while, and this loss of plasma will be recovered within 48 hours by your body itself. So anyone between age of 20 to 60 can donate plasma who has recovered from COVID-19 and do not have any other illnesses and have no transferable disease in them. And any woman who is conceiving a child cannot donate plasma. So if you want to save life, just go and donate plasma. Thank you.